Presenting a pre-owned 2003 Ford F-150. This two-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 5-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 96,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 11 miles per gallon in the city, and 15 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee. Ask to see the free CARFAX vehicle history report. Key features include anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, leather seats, power door locks, and power windows.